Okay, ready for mystery car number 3. This was just dropped off this morning. Can't wait for next week. Here we go. Here's a sample. Okay. This is what it looks like from the top. Let's see, you want to see the mirror? Does that help? The door handles are pretty nice. Do you have any idea what this is? How about the interior? This is a risky move. I'm trying to make this difficult. Okay, it has bows. And this is what the window switches look like. I guess I'll show you the interior. Let's see, what should I show you in here? How about the passenger side this time? Ready? That's it. And the trunk. I'll show you the inside of the trunk, and then that's it. You give me your best guess. This one's really difficult. This is the trunk. I'll give you a hint as to the price point of this car. You can see exposed harnessing. It's not exactly an expensive car. Actually, here's another clue. Cheap solution here to hide wiring. So yeah, I guess you could say it would be a rental car or downsizable car. So let me know what you think it is. Leave some comments and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.